can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at general cryptocurrency markets. Today, we're having a green day in the markets. Render is up 23%, Tau is up 12%, Trump coin is up 20% of the news that maybe, just maybe, there's another dinner around for Trump coin token holders. We'll take a look at general cryptocurrency market. Ethereum is hanging around the $2,000 level. Bitcoin hanging around $71,000, while there's still extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market. We'll look at news stories going around the market. We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Let's start with liquidation in the cryptocurrency market. The last 24 hours have seen the bears getting liquidated. Total liquidation over the last 24 hours has amounted to around $251 million, with the single largest liquidation happening on Hyperliquid. A trader was liquidated for around $4.24 million. Over 75,000 traders have been liquidated. It's best to avoid leverage. The market will trend eventually. If you're trying to force the market hands, you might eventually get liquidated. Top 10 cryptocurrency by market capitalization got a bounce. Bitcoin got a bounce. Ethereum got a bounce. Solana got a 3% bounce. XRP, Hype, Dogecoin, BNB, Bitcoin Cash all had a 2 to a 5% bounce over the last 24 hours. And sentiment in the cryptocurrency market still not improving. Sentiment in the cryptocurrency market is still extreme fear. A lot of market participants are still scared. The long-term vision for the cryptocurrency market, if you ask a lot of market participants, is that maybe, just maybe, we're just ranging before we dump to Goblin Town. We have a contrarian opinion. I believe Bitcoin is giving us a chance to buy below the $70,000 level. The altcoin market is giving us an ample, once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to buy these altcoins at dead prices. Over the next few days and the next few weeks, we might see big pumps in the altcoin market. Don't be shocked to see market participants running back to the market, giving you theories while we're pumping, telling you what is causing the pump to the moon. Remember, it was baked in the cake. We saw the dump, and eventually we are going to see the pump. The mantra is always to buy when there's extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market, to sell when extreme greed returns back to the cryptocurrency market. If I told you 5 years ago in 2021 that Bitcoin will be trading around $71,000 and there will be extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market, you will be in disbelief. Just 5 years ago, $70,000 was not even reached. We saw Bitcoin topping around $69,000 in 2021. But 5 years down the line, we have seen Bitcoin hitting $125,000 to the point that a $70,000 Bitcoin is cause for concern. Now let's look at Ethereum, what Ethereum is doing over the last 1 week. I believe we are seeing Ethereum giving us a consolidation. Yes, an argument can be made that Ethereum has underperformed Bitcoin over the last few years. But remember, guys, the market always finds a way to reward those that are patient. The market always finds a way to reward those that buy low. I believe we'll see Ethereum trading around the $3,000 level, maybe even setting new all-time highs before the end of 2026. A lot of market participants are expecting us to dump to Goblin Town. There's a general consensus that right now we're in a bear market. There's a general consensus that we should continue dumping to Goblin Town. I take the opposite side of that trade. I believe we're setting ourselves up for one rally to the upside. That rally to the upside is where we see a lot of people get complacent. That rally to the upside is where we see a lot of crazy behaviors before we eventually see our dump to Goblin Town. If you look at it from a big picture perspective, guys, there's only two things the market can do. We can only pump to the moon, or we can dump to Goblin Town. If we dump to Goblin Town, the next logical action for us to at least get some relief, or we start pumping back to the moon. The same way when we pump back to the moon, the next logical action will be for us to dump to Goblin Town. You have to be able to manage your emotions. Game you are playing is an emotional game. If you look at the price of Bitcoin right now, around $71,000. Even though there's extreme fear, Bitcoin is basically just testing its previous all-time high. You have to zoom out to see what the market is doing. If you lock in, if you zoom in too much, you might get lost in the weeds in the day-to-day price action of Bitcoin. But if you zoom out, and you can see that Bitcoin has been pumping since 2022, and right now Bitcoin is giving us that one dump before the next pump. We'll see altcoins and Ethereum having a very good time pumping aggressively higher than Bitcoin. My theory says The next pump we have in the cryptocurrency market is going to be very, very pivotal. That next pump is where we see altcoins outperforming Bitcoin, and I believe that next pump is where we will see Bitcoin dominance dumping. I'll not be shocked to see that next phase of the bullish market cycle. I'll not be shocked to see Bitcoin fail to set new all-time highs. There's always that possibility that Bitcoin can set new all-time highs. But the most important region to watch out for, which I've been repeating for weeks right now, will be around the $108,000 level. I'm not shocked to see Bitcoin find difficulties there. At the same time, we see altcoins pumping aggressively to higher prices while Bitcoin dominance is dumping. I strongly believe the cycle comes to an end when Bitcoin dominance dump. We have not seen an epic Bitcoin dominance dump, and even though Bitcoin dominance has been on a steady decline since June of 2025, I'm expecting a catastrophic dump for Bitcoin dominance that will see it maybe even get to as low as 50%, maybe lower than that. But when that dump arises, when we see altcoins pumping, when you see market participants saying this is the start of something great, we're going to the moon, this time is different, that might be the time to sell and run for the hills. That might be the time to pack your bags and just enjoy your profits. The bear market is going to come guaranteed. We have seen the bull market. I don't think we're in that bear market yet. There's some arguments to be made. The 4-year cycle says Bitcoin should already be in the bear market, and from that perspective, yes, maybe Bitcoin is in the bear market. But guys, we have not seen Bitcoin dominance dump. A lot of these altcoins are near all-time lows, which makes me believe maybe, just maybe, the market is playing a trick on us. Maybe, just maybe, the bull market is far ahead of us. Now, if the bull market is still far ahead of us, if we're still expecting altcoins to pump, then we have to talk about altcoin season. Now, altcoin season is when altcoins are having a great time. Altcoins are outperforming Bitcoin, and usually we measure that. We call it an altcoin season when it happens on a 90-day time frame. That means if altcoins outperform Bitcoin over 90 days, we officially say that's an altcoin season. For us to get an altcoin month, we have to see altcoins outperform Bitcoin on a monthly time frame, which we have to see 75% of the top 50 coins perform better than Bitcoin. Right now, Bitcoin is up 9.4% over the last 30 days. A lot of altcoins are already doing better than Bitcoin. I'll not be shocked if in the next few days we see more altcoins doing better than Bitcoin. The whole point of buying these altcoins is that they are very, very volatile. And when the market pumps, because of the volatility of these altcoins, we see them pumping way, way harder than Bitcoin. But the inverse is also true. When the market dumps, you see them dumping way, way harder than Bitcoin. Now, one sector I've been paying attention to, one sector I believe is going to provide big, big gains by the end of the market cycle is going to be the meme coin sector. Historically, when meme coins are pumping, that might just be the best time to run for the hills. When meme coins are pumping, it means market participants are getting too crazy. That's why we pay attention to the meme coin market. And right now, the general meme coin market has a market cap of around $31 billion. Can we get $100 billion, $300 billion? It's always possible. The meme coin market will see substantial gains. Hopefully, over the next few weeks, the last 30 days, I've seen a lot of meme coins bouncing off the bottom. Just Pepe and Peeping are down bad over the last 30 days. If not, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, meme coin, official Donald Trump, coin, Bonk, SPX 6900, Floki, all have positive returns over the last 30 days. If you look at the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization, we're seeing positive returns over the last 30 days, which is good to see. Hopefully, the next 30 days will also give us positive returns, which will send most of the altcoins pumping to the moon. If you look at what has happened in the top 10, yes, Bitcoin is up 7.1%, where you see most of those altcoins are performing Bitcoin by XRP. Ethereum is up 7%, BNB is up 10%, XRP is up 4%, Solana is up 10%, we have Dogecoin up 6%, Cardano up 6%, and Hyperliquid up a whooping 30% over the last 30 days. And if you look at news stories going around the cryptocurrency market, we're starting to see some bullish news articles fly around. We're starting to see market participants opening to the idea, maybe, just maybe, we can see a pump to the upside. We saw some crazy news in the cryptocurrency market for the last 24 hours. Donald Trump offers meme coin holders another gala to boost token from lows. Remember, they had the Trump gala for the top, is it 50 or 100 meme coin holders? And that went well. Hopefully this one will go well too. US Treasury sanctions enablers of North Korea IT workers fraud ring, and US Senate leaders doesn't expect market structure bill to pass before April. Hopefully that will pass. Hopefully that will give us momentum to the upside. Hopefully we're leaving these negative vibes behind, because right now, guys, the vibes is still down in the cryptocurrency market. Even though there's some sprinkle of positive energy in the air, the general consensus is that we're seeing extreme fear. the general vibe in the market is that this is a bear market and we should be expecting lower prices. The crowd is always strong at the extreme. I don't think this time is different. I believe we're gearing up for a pump to the upside. Drop your thoughts in the comment section. How positive are you right now in the cryptocurrency market? How positive are you that these altcoins have any hope to pump to the upside? Are you buying altcoins? Are you selling altcoins? Are you buying Bitcoin, getting ready for that relief rally? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.